Vistalog. Now let me show to you on how you can register on Vistalog. First of all you have to do for me is that I will leave the link in the description so that you are going to click on the links. The link will lead you to Vistalog registration page. But first of all, what is Vistalog? Vistalog is an online platform that pays people to like video and watch YouTube videos or TikTok videos. Now, this is the link I will paste on the description. When you click on this link, now after that, when the thing opens, all you have to do for me is that first and foremost is input your name, your full name, and let me underline it for you, sir. Your full name, email address, username, and choose a password that you can never forget. Make it to be easier. Then your phone number. After the phone number, for you to register in Vistalog, you need what is called coupon code. This is the coupon code, and that coupon code is 5,000 naira. Without that coupon code, you can never register in Vistalog. Then, if you want to get the coupon code, you can use this. Let me underline it. This get coupon code. It will redirect you to one of their coupon code seller in their WhatsApp, but you can purchase the coupon code from me. I will leave my WhatsApp link so that you can get the coupon code too. Now, after that, all you have to do is that you have to scroll up. After inputting all the details after inputting all your details, you have to scroll up and continue from the sign up. That is it. Sorry, I missed something. For you to sign up, you have to click on this Vistalog 5,000, and that 5,000 naira you paid. That is it. You have to click on it. Then, after clicking on it, then click on sign up. You have already fully member of Vistalog account. You have created your membership of Vistalog account. That is it. Now, after signing up, let me show you on how you can earn. You can see this is my account. When you have to earn, all you have to do for me is that click here, this three line. After that, click on Vistalog logo. When you click on it, you will scroll and find where it says visit post. Then when you click on this visit post, click on sponsored post. Let me circulate it ahead. When you click on sponsored post, then share, click on share. When you click on share, it will direct you to TikTok. All you have to do for me is that follow the account already and go. Now, second task on how you can earn on Vistalog. All you have to do for me is that when you click on that Vistalog post, click on VC advert post. When you click on this advert post, you scroll down, click on engage here. When you click on the engage here, all you have to do for me is that join their official Telegram. When you join the official Telegram, you have do your daily this thing. After that, after doing your daily this thing, have to go and check your balance. And let me check my balance. You can see this is my tax balance. My tax balance here is 4,000 naira.